Lightning Lane passes let you choose select attractions and experiences before you arrive, so you can secure some of your must-dos, spend less time waiting in line, and more time. You get the idea. When you purchase a Lightning Lane multi-pass, you can choose up to 3 experiences in advance. We'll recommend arrival windows that work with your plans, but you can also choose other options. Once you're in the park and enjoy your first Lightning Lane experience, you can make an additional selection, subject to availability. And don't forget the Disney PhotoPass perks included with your purchase, like digital downloads of select attraction images and Disney-themed photo lenses. In addition to a multi-pass, you can also purchase a Lightning Lane single pass for up to 2 of our most in-demand attractions per day. Check the tip board in the My Disney Experience app to see available experiences for both passes. Changed your plans or your mind about what you booked? You can modify your choices within the app. Get to the magic faster with a Lightning Lane Pass.